Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Everything Football 52. Now today I just got a package in from eastbay, so just gonna do a quick unboxing. Just ordered some things for some cleats from a little brother, as well as a visor and some tights. You'll see what it is. Alright, so there's a tracking label and what I purchased right there. Alright, I got my socks. These are some socks I ordered. Won't take them out of the bag, but they're just some black and yellow Vapor Crew socks. We got pair of yellow Vapor Strike, yellow stripe tights, size medium. And it looks like we got a Under Armour something, Under Armour visor, and some Under Armour cleats, size 1. Let you guys see very quick. They are. Here they are. Very nice looking cleat. They got the strap on the top. Very nice. Alright, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you guys later in videos. Bye.